Dear students, we are going to see the relation between real numbers, polynomials, or its associated algebraic equations, and also the solutions of differential equations. So let me start with two numbers, -3 and 7. Out of these two numbers, let me construct a polynomial f x, that is x plus 3 into x minus 7. So this we are going to expand to get the polynomial. The polynomial here is x square minus 4x minus 21. So consider now the associated algebraic equation x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. We of course knew that its roots are -3 and 7, that we can confirm here. If we solve this algebraic equation for x, then we see that -3 and 7 are its two roots. So now coming back to our polynomial, we replace x square by the second derivative of y, which is a function of x, minus 4x by minus 4 times first derivative of y with respect to x, then minus 21 into the function y of x equal to 0. So this is the differential equation associated with this polynomial or this algebraic equation, or we can simply say these two real numbers. Okay, so how to solve this equation? For this, what we do is we normally take y to be e power m x in order to compute the initial equation. Then we differentiate y with respect to x to find its first order derivative, and then differentiate again y with respect to x twice to find its second order derivative. So if you replace y by e for mx, y dash by m into e for mx, and y double dash by m squared into e for mx, then this equation becomes, this is your y double dash minus 4 into y dash minus 21, or y is e power mx, right? Okay. This is equal to 0. But we know that e power mx is not equal to 0. That means in order to have the left hand side equal to 0, we need to get the following. that is m squared minus 4m minus 21 is equal to 0, and this is exactly the algebraic equation that we have already solved. So the roots are minus 3 and 7, meaning that this m takes two values, minus 3 and 7. One value of m is minus 3 and another value of m is 7. Since our solution is of the form e power mx and the equation being linear, we can write the solution to be some constant, say a into e power mx, replace m by minus 3, again some constant b into e power mx, m replace m by 7. So the solution of our second order linear equation y double prime minus 4y prime minus 21y equal to 0 is given by y is equal to a e power minus 3x plus b e power 7x. And here the surprising thing is the numbers that we have started with are the arguments of x in the exponential functions in the solution of the second order differential equation given here. So we have understood the relations between numbers, polynomial, algebraic equation, differential equations, and its general solution. And this solution is called general because the order of the equation is 2, and this equation has got two arbitrary constants a and b. Thank you.